manufacturing, product development, engineering, U.S. manufacturing. Who we are. DEM Manufacturing is a U.S.-based product development and contract manufacturing company that helps businesses bring high-performance electronic and electromechanical products from concept to production. What we offer. Our turnkey solutions include product design, engineering, prototyping, PCB assembly, custom cable assemblies, injection molding, tooling, 3D printing, and full-scale manufacturing, all under one roof. Why choose DEM? As a vertically integrated manufacturer, we accelerate time to market through US-based production, rigorous quality control, and certified manufacturing processes that reduce risk and improve efficiency. Built for critical industries. We develop rugged, precision-engineered products for medical, defense, law enforcement, first responders, industrial, and commercial applications where reliability matters most. Quality you can trust. DEM is ITAR registered and ISO 9001 Doppelpunkt 2015 and ISO 13485 Doppelpunkt 2016 certified, delivering scalable manufacturing backed by comprehensive testing and quality assurance. Contact us. Visit Dem-mfg.com or call 440564760 to discuss your next product development or manufacturing project.